Welcome to this comprehensive guide on the benefits of CreditSaint credit report analysis. Understanding your credit report is essential for maintaining a good credit score and overall financial health. CreditSaint is a reputable service that provides detailed analysis of your credit report, helping you identify areas for improvement and make informed decisions about your financial future. First, let's start with the basics. A credit report is a detailed record of your credit history, including payments, debts, and other financial information. CreditSaint's analysis provides a thorough review of your report, highlighting errors, inaccuracies, and negative marks that may be affecting your credit score. One of the primary benefits of CreditSaint's analysis is its ability to identify and dispute errors on your credit report. According to the Federal Trade Commission, 1 in 5 credit reports contains errors, which can significantly impact your credit score. CreditSaint's expert team will work with you to correct these errors and ensure your report is accurate and up to date. Another benefit of CreditSaint's analysis is its personalized recommendations for improving your credit score. By analyzing your report, CreditSaint's experts can identify areas where you can improve, such as paying off debt, reducing credit utilization, or building a longer credit history. They will provide you with a customized plan to help you achieve your credit goals and improve your overall financial health. In addition to identifying errors and providing personalized recommendations, CreditSaint's analysis also offers ongoing monitoring and protection. Their team will continuously review your report and alert you to any changes or potential issues, helping you stay on top of your credit and prevent identity theft. To get the most out of CreditSaint's analysis, it's essential to understand how to read and interpret your credit report. CreditSaint's experts will guide you through the process, explaining each section of the report and highlighting key areas for improvement. They will also provide you with practical tips and strategies for maintaining a good credit score, such as making on-time payments, keeping credit utilization low, and avoiding new credit inquiries. In conclusion, CreditSaint's credit report analysis is a valuable tool for anyone looking to improve their credit score and maintain good financial health. By identifying errors, providing personalized recommendations, and offering ongoing monitoring and protection, CreditSaint's expert team can help you achieve your credit goals and secure a brighter financial future. With their comprehensive analysis and guidance, you'll be empowered to take control of your credit and make informed decisions about your financial future.